Hello, you're welcome. My name is Henry, and you are at HTech-Academy YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Hello friends, hello viewers. In this video, we will be learning adding citation and bibliography. Now, citation and bibliography is simply adding credibility to our document by simply referencing a reliable source. Let's say we are asked to, as students, to write a project, and while on the course of writing a project, we went online and we get some online sources. So citation simply helps us reference those online reliable sources. It could be online, it could be from a library, it could be from any other source. Microsoft Word helps us to cite these reliable sources into our documents. For example, you can see over here, I'll be adding citation to these three references: the financial education, Microsoft Word YouTube course, and African literature. To insert a site, you go right into the reference tab. So you see the citation and bibliography command group. Over here, you can see the insert citation and also have the manage source. So over here, when the citation is being added, it come over here to either modify, delete, or add new citation. You get also the bibliography style, so we can click on this drop down to change whatever style we want. We have different bibliography style, but I will stick with the MLA, okay, which represents Miami. So also below we have the bibliography. So this helps us to list all our sources. So after citing our, let's say we cited 2 or 3 sources, okay, then we'll go over to the bibliography. It helps us list it. So now I'll be citing an author to read from financial education. To do that, I'll go over to this line. I'll click on my citation and I'll click on a little dialog box. So I could either add a new source or add a placeholder. So I'll click on add a new source. This time I'm referencing the financial education. So now I have a type of source. So because the source of my citing is a book, so I'll click on the drop down. Because I'm citing an author of a book, I will select the book option, and now I will put the name of the author, which is Ogeti Kiyosaki. I'll put his title of his book as Rich Dad and Poor Dad. Fill any of this information. Then you have my city as New York. So you can go ahead, fill whatever information you want over here. To add more information to it, you click on to show all reviews. This opens more information. As you can see, the state, the country, the publisher, the editor, the volume, the number of volumes. Okay, I could also click on edit more information about the author. I could add his first name, his last name. I'll leave this as default and I'll click OK. So I can come to the country, I just put USD. Okay, and when I'm done with whatever information I want to fill over here, I can just click at OK. And now I've been able to cite the author, Kiyosaki, to financial education. I'll also be adding a citation, Microsoft Word YouTube course. So I'll be citing my YouTube channel. I'll click on insert citation. I'll click on add sources. So now I'm going to write my YouTube channel, which is HTech Studio. I'll click on this drop down. I'll just go with theme. Okay, notice as I change, the fields over here changes. Now I get the title and the performer. So I'm going to write the title as Microsoft Word Made Easy for Beginners and Novice, which is the artist. As put my YouTube link as HTech Studio. You go ahead and fill whatever information you want to add here. You click on this edit to modify your options. other information. Now when I'm satisfied, I'll just click on OK and notice my HTech Studio is being referenced. Lastly, I'll be referencing African literature, referencing the author Chinua Achebe. So I'll click on this drop down and I'll click on Add Sources, select a book because it's actually a book. In my things fall apart. Probably I'll fill whatever information. I'll click on OK and I've cited the author Chinua Achebe to this African literature. Now, after the citation, the next command we have is the manage sources file. When I click on this gives me control over the just added. I could select any of the created citation to either modify, copy, delete, or create new citation. When I click on edit, it takes me back to the field. If there's anything I want to add, maybe I want to add the link, any other information I want to add, I could just click on edit to modify its properties. So I can also click on this icon delete to delete my citation source. I could add a new source. When I click, I also get a preview of what this citation contains. As you can see, I am currently selected the HTech Studio and I get entry as and which is the title and the source, web source, which is a YouTube. So when I'm satisfied with whatever citation I have here, I'll click on close. Now, after adding my citations, the next thing I will be adding is my bibliography. Now, what the bibliography does is it helps compile a list of all my cited sources. So to insert this bibliography, we go right also inside the reference tab. Alright, just inside my citation and bibliography command group, I can see my bibliography command over here. So I'll click on the drop down. Notice I get default saved bibliography type. I could select any of the formats I want, or I could just click on the insert bibliography. This brings up all my citations I added on this document, and it brings up. I could also click on the drop down to add other type of bibliography. I have the bibliography style, reference style, and I also have the work citation style. So we could go ahead and add any of these citation, and also we can modify the heading by adding any statement we want. Let's say I'll go with the word sources. Okay, and when I'm done, I'll click on update citation and bibliography so as to get updated. So go around, add citation and bibliography and come right back. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if this video is helpful to you. Thank you.